Did you know? Jamaican facts, not proven, but super fun. Ever wonder how ska got its name? Legend has it, a musician named Clue J was trying to explain a new sound to his bandmates and just blurted out, "Make the guitar go ska, ska, ska." Boom. Ska was born. And the best part? It was all thanks to some good old musical gibberish. Rocksteady has an even wilder backstory. Apparently, a bad man named Buzz B would show up at parties and break into this ultra-smooth, slow-motion dance. People said he moved like he was rocking steady, and the name stuck. Imagine a guy dancing so slick that an entire genre was named after his moves. Now that's a power move. You know the name reggae? It might have been an accident too. Picture this. Musicians in a recording session, someone yells, "Make the organ go reggae, reggae." And just like that, reggae became reggae. But the funny thing? Everyone's claiming they came up with it first, but it might have just been a random shout out in the studio. And here's a shocker. Contrary to popular belief, reggae